In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve the quality of your images straight from your computer. So in order to do this, you need to head over to an internet browser and head over to the website canva.com. Now you need to make sure you're logged in to your Canva account. It's completely free to sign up if you haven't already. And then we're going to click on create a design in the top left hand side. And before we go ahead and create our design, what we need to do is come over to the folder where you have your image saved. So for me, it's in this downloads folder over here. And what we're going to do is just right click on the image and select properties, click on the details tab, and then scroll down to find out the dimensions of your image. So for example, my image is 1080 by 1080. That's the dimensions we're going to use. So close out of this window and head back over to Canva. Click on custom size from the left-hand navigation, and then just set the width and the height to the same as your image, and then select create new design. Then from the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to apps and click on this, and using the search box type in Upscale and hit enter. Then you need to select the image upscaler, make sure you have image selected and press choose file, and then just locate the image that you want to improve the quality of. Once you have your image selected, make sure to select 4 times from this list. You can even go up to 8 and 16 times if you have the pro version, but because I'm using the free one, I'm just going to select 4 times and then press upscale. Now you need to wait a couple of minutes while this upscales and improves the quality of your image. Once it's finished, just click on add to design, and then you're just going to resize your image so it fits the full width of the frame. And now what I'm going to do is just put the old image next to this so you can see how much the quality is actually improved. You can see now that if I zoom in, the quality difference between these two images is incredible. So once you're happy with your finished design, click on share in the top right hand side, click on download, and the best one to download this in is usually PNG for quality, and then just press download. And just like that, we've now improved the quality of our image. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.